What if I told you that your life could begin changing today? Not next year, not next month, not even next week, but today. It may sound impossible because most people believe real change takes years. They think they need more money, better luck, the perfect opportunity, or someone to rescue them before life gets better. But Jim Rohn taught something completely different. He believed that the biggest changes in life don't begin with money or circumstances. They begin with a single decision. One decision can change the direction of your health, your career, your relationships, your finances, and your future. Imagine waking up tomorrow with the same challenges but a completely different mindset. Imagine refusing to accept excuses any longer. Imagine deciding that today is the last day you will settle for less than your potential. That single moment could become the turning point. In this video, you'll discover the 4 powerful emotions Jim Rohn said can completely transform your life: disgust, decision, desire, and resolve. You'll also learn why these emotions are useless unless they lead to action. Stay with me until the very end, because Jim Rohn shares 4 simple questions that have inspired millions of people to stop waiting and start living the life they truly want. One of those questions might change your future forever. Lesson 1, the power of disgust. Most people don't change because life is difficult. They change because they eventually become tired of living the same story over and over again. Jim Rohn called this emotion disgust. It is the moment when you finally say, "I've had enough." Maybe you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Maybe you're tired of making promises to yourself that you never keep. Maybe you're tired of feeling like you're capable of more. Disgust isn't about hating yourself. It's about refusing to accept a life that is far below your true potential. Think about every major change you've ever made. Chances are it happened because you reached a breaking point. You became so uncomfortable with your current situation that staying the same became more painful than changing. Use your frustration as fuel. The goal isn't to stay angry forever. The goal is to use that moment as the spark that starts your transformation. Every successful person has experienced a moment where they simply refuse to continue. Your breakthrough begins when average is no longer acceptable. Lesson 2, the power of decision. After disgust comes the most important step: making a real decision. Many people think they're making decisions when they're actually making wishes. They say they want to be successful someday, but a true decision removes the option of giving up. Jim Rohn explained that decisions often come with emotional discomfort. Choosing one path means leaving another behind. That's normal. Every meaningful choice requires courage. The difference between successful people and everyone else is their willingness to decide and move forward despite uncertainty. Waiting for the perfect moment usually means waiting forever. Progress begins when you stop asking, "Can I?" and start asking, "How will I?" Today, decide what kind of person you want to become. Decide what habits you will no longer tolerate. Decide what standards you refuse to compromise. Your future doesn't change because you hope it will. It changes because you make decisions that shape your daily actions. Lesson 3, the power of desire. Once you've made a decision, you need a force to keep you moving when life becomes difficult. That force is desire. Desire is different from a temporary burst of motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Desire stays alive. Jim Rohn believed desire can be awakened in many ways. Sometimes it begins after reading a great book or hearing an incredible story. Every experience has the potential to awaken a dream inside you. Protect that dream. Feed it every day with positive thoughts and meaningful learning. Ask yourself why your goals matter. Is it to give your family a better life? Is it to gain freedom? Is it to become the person you've always wanted to be? When your reasons become strong enough, your excuses become weaker. Desire gives purpose to discipline. It reminds you why your efforts matter, even when results are slow. With desire, challenges become stepping stones toward success. Lesson 4, the power of resolve. Many people begin with excitement, but very few continue when things become difficult. This is where resolve separates ordinary people from extraordinary people. Resolve means a promise to yourself that you will keep going. Jim Rohn described resolve with 2 simple words: "I will." Those words carry power because they represent commitment rather than emotion. Motivation fades, but commitment remains. There will be failures, disappointments, and unexpected obstacles. Resolve reminds you failure is never the end. The reason successful people succeeded wasn't because life became easier. It was because their commitment became stronger than their excuses. Build resolve by keeping small promises to yourself every day. Wake up when you planned. Finish the task you started. Save a little money. Each small victory strengthens your confidence until persistence becomes part of your identity. Lesson 5. Action changes everything. Disgust can wake you up. Decision can give you direction. Desire can give you energy. Resolve can help you continue. But without action, none of these emotions will change your life. Affirmations alone are not enough. Positive thinking without action produces little. Real success is built one action at a time. You don't need to change your entire life before tomorrow morning. You simply need to take the first step today. Make the phone call you've been avoiding. Apply for the opportunity you've been afraid of. Read 10 pages of a life-changing book. Start saving a small amount of money. Go for a walk if you've been neglecting your health. Tiny actions repeated consistently become extraordinary results. The direction of your life changes long before your circumstances do. The moment you begin acting differently, you become a different person. That's why Jim Rohn believed your life can change in one day. Not because everything around you changes instantly, but because you do. Before we finish, Jim Rohn leaves us with 4 unforgettable questions. Why? Why not? Why not you? And why not now? These questions challenge every excuse. Why shouldn't your life improve? Why shouldn't you become healthier, wealthier, wiser, and happier? Why should someone else achieve the dreams you've been afraid to pursue? And if not today, then when? The truth is that lasting change begins with one courageous decision followed by consistent action. You only need the willingness to begin. If this message inspired you, don't let it become another video you forget tomorrow. Write down one action you'll take today and commit to it. Your future self will thank you. Remember, one decision can change your direction, and a changed direction can eventually change your entire life.